Start. The judgment and order of conviction passed by learned First Ad hoc Additional Sessions Judge Jalna in Sessions Case number 152 of 2000 recording guilt for offence punishable under Section 324 RW 34 of the Indian Penal Code (IPC) is assailed by filing instant appeal. Admittedly, incident has taken place on 16/5/2000. There is no dispute that informant party and accused party are neighbors, and there is a dispute over common bond. As regards the incident in question, on appreciating the evidence of main injured Shivaji (PW10), it is emerging that when he went to the field at that time, accused number 1 had questioned him for giving application to police, and there was also quarrel for keeping fodder on the band. Shivaji has stated that he was assaulted by stick. Hearing his noise, his uncle and aunt, that is Ram and Chhayabai, came there. Paragraph. Accused numbers 1 and 3 assaulted his uncle and so he ran. 20 minutes later, his father, brother and uncle came, but accused assaulted them also. In the examination in chief, he stated that when his father questioned why there was assault on this witness, accused started assaulting him by means of stick, axe and stone. According to him, X was in the hands of SK, Hassan and accused number 3, Ramzan, whereas accused number 2 had stick and stone and accused number 1 also had stick. They assaulted this witness, his father, uncle and brother Ashok. PW3 Ram, who is examined at Exhibit 26, was the first one to reach after hearing commotion. He in his evidence stated that he heard accused questioning Shivaji for giving application, followed by hot exchange of words, and when this witness tried to convince accused numbers 2, 3 and Hassan came running. Accused number 1 assaulted this witness with stick on knee, back and shoulder, and again SK, Hassan and accused person assaulted Shivaji with axe on the head. He claims that he ran away. His wife had told Anita to call informant, and when he reached there and questioned accused, SK, Hassan and Ramzan had axe in hand. Accused number 2 had stone, and they assaulted informant on the head with axe. PW1 informant, who has reached there on being called by Anita, also deposed that when he came, he saw Shivaji unconscious, and when he questioned accused, he also deposed that accused number 2, 3 and Hassan came there and all three assaulted this witness. They had stick, axe and stone. Paragraph. Hassan gave blow of axe on his head. Ramzan also gave blow with axe on his head. Hassan gave another blow on his arm. They also assaulted his other son Ashok with stick and stone. Though above witnesses are subjected to extensive cross, there is very little or almost no cross on the actual occurrence. Whatever suggestions given regarding occurrence are flatly denied. Therefore, testimony of injured eyewitnesses has remained virtually unshaken. Therefore, here there is cogent, reliable and trustworthy injured witness account. Injured witnesses are consistent. Roles are also consistently stated. Stop.